This meditation is designed to help you tune into your inner knowing or subconscious and your superconscious powers to set your intention for the day. With practice, you'll connect to your higher self and learn to listen to your intuition from your mind into your heart. So if you're ready to begin, let's get started. I want you to close your eyes, sit upright, and make yourself as comfortable as possible. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And keep on breathing while you begin to scan your body. I want you to scan your body now to really be aware of your body. And I want you to scan your body for tight muscles. If you find these muscles, I want you to set the intention to release them now and know that it's done just by setting the intention while you breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Be aware of your body, release the muscles that are tight, and adjust your position if necessary. Being aware of your body, I want you right now to focus on your breath. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. I want you to observe your breath. Feel the flow of air. Observe. Notice what it feels like to breathe and enjoy not having to do anything right now but feeling and observing. Just be aware of your body and your breath. And with your breath flowing naturally and effortlessly, I want you to focus on your chest now, on your heart center. You could put your hand over your heart, but you don't have to. Just focus on your heart center of your chest and observe what it feels like to focus on your heart. To focus on the center of your chest, notice and observe. It's okay the way it is now. Notice that right now you're present not only with your breath and your body, but with your heart, with the essence of your very existence. Notice what it feels like to be aware of your heart. No pushing, no pulling. It's okay the way it is. Just know that you're present now at the very moment. Right now, I want to focus on your upcoming day. I want you to feel into the upcoming day and ask yourself what my intention is for the day. Just ask yourself, what is my intention for today? What do I want to be? What do I want to create? What do I want to focus on? Notice the answers flowing to you. Observe. Be open to receiving the answers from your wise mind, your heart, and your consciousness. And with your answer that you have, I want you to open your eyes and write down your intentions. And have an amazing day.